Meaning of fatherhood.
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 Fatherhood. Fatherhood refers to the state of being a father and encompasses the roles, responsibilities, and experiences associated with raising and nurturing children. Fathers can be biological or adoptive, and their role in the family structure is important for the well-being of their children and the family as a whole. Fatherhood involves providing emotional support, financial stability, guidance, discipline, and love to one's children. It is a rewarding yet challenging experience that requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn and grow as a parent.